It was a bright Saturday morning. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and the sky was clear and blue. Ollie woke up with a big smile because today was a special day. His family was going to the beach for a picnic. Ollie quickly brushed his teeth, got dressed, and helped his mother pack the picnic basket. She packed sandwiches, fruit, cookies, cold juice, and bottles of water. His father carried a large beach umbrella, while Ollie's little sister Sarah packed her bucket and shovel for building sandcastles. Soon, the family got into the car and started their journey. They listened to cheerful music and talked happily. As they got closer to the beach, they could smell the fresh sea air. They arrived. Ollie's eyes grew wide with excitement. The beach was beautiful, soft golden. Sand stretched along the shore, and gentle waves rolled toward the beach. Seagulls flew above the water, and children laughed as they played. The family found a nice place near the water and spread out a large picnic blanket. They set up the umbrella to stay cool under the warm sun. Ollie and Sarah couldn't wait to play. They ran to the sand with their toys. Together, they built huge sandcastle with tall towers, tiny windows, and a little bridge. They decorated it with colorful seashells and smooth stones they found nearby. After finishing the sandcastle, they walked along the beach collecting even more shells. Ollie found a shell shaped like a fan, while Sarah discovered a tiny pink shell. They happily showed their treasures to their parents. Next, Ollie asked, "Dad, can we play in the water?" His father smiled. "Of course, but stay where I can see you." Ollie and Sarah carefully walked into the shallow water. The cool waves splashed around their feet. They laughed as they jumped over the small waves and chased each other along the shore. Soon, Ollie noticed a colorful beach ball floating nearby. "Let's play catch," he shouted. The family formed a circle and tossed the ball to one another. Sometimes the wind carried it away, making everyone laugh as they ran after playing, everyone felt hungry. They returned to the picnic blanket for lunch. The sandwiches tasted delicious after all the fun. They enjoyed juicy watermelon, sweet cookies, and refreshing cold juice. While eating, they watched the sparkling sea. Small boats sailed in the distance, and a few people flew colorful kites high in the sky. After lunch, they rest for a while under the umbrella. Ollie listened to the sound of the waves and almost fell asleep. A little later, they decided to explore more of the beach. As they walked, they noticed Small crab moving sideways across the sand. Look, Sarah whispered. Excitedly, they watched quietly so they wouldn't scare it. The tiny crab disappeared into a little hole, making everyone smile. Farther along the beach, Ollie saw a boy looking worried. What's wrong? Ollie asked kindly. I can't find my blue toy boat, the boy replied. Ollie, Sarah, and their parents helped search along the shore. After a few minutes, Sarah spotted the toy floating near the water's edge. There it is, she called. The boy happily picked it up. Thank you so much, he said with a grateful smile. Ollie felt proud because helping someone made the day even more special. Later in the afternoon, the family flew a colorful kite. The sea breeze lifted it high into the sky. Ollie carefully held the string while his father helped guide it. The kite danced above the beach like a bright bird as the sun slowly began to set. The sky turned orange, pink, purple. The ocean reflected the beautiful colors, creating a peaceful scene. Before leaving, Ollie's mother said, let's make sure we leave the beach clean. The whole family picked up their trash and placed everything in a nearby bin. Ollie even picked up a few pieces of litter left by others. His father smiled proudly. Taking care of nature is everyone's responsibility. Ollie nodded. A clean beach is a happy beach. Before getting into the car, they took one last family photo with the sunset behind them. Everyone was smiling. On the drive home, Sarah quietly fell asleep with her favorite seashell in her hand. Ollie looked out the window, thinking about everything they had done that day, building sandcastles, collecting shells, swimming, flying a kite, helping another child, enjoying precious time with his family. When they reached home, Ollie carefully placed his favorite seashell on his bedroom shelf as a memory of the wonderful trip.